Did you know that lavender isn't just for making your bedroom smell nice? This purple flower has been helping people with skin problems naturally for hundreds of years. If you're dealing with acne or irritated skin, you might want to pay attention to what I'm about to share. Today, we're talking about Eco Home Lavender Water and how it can help your skin look and feel better, just like it has done for thousands of others. I've been testing this product for the past few months, and the results have been pretty amazing. Whether you have occasional breakouts or deal with acne regularly, this video might change how you think about natural skincare. So grab a cup of herbal tea and let's dive into the 5 ways this lavender water can help your skin. Let me start with the first way lavender water helps with acne. Way number 1, it fights bacteria naturally. Acne happens when bacteria get trapped in your pores along with oil and dead skin cells. Lavender has natural properties that fight against the bad bacteria on your skin. When I first learned this, I was skeptical, because how can something so gentle actually fight bacteria? But here's the thing. Lavender contains compounds that are tough on bacteria but gentle on your skin. Unlike harsh chemicals that can dry out your face, lavender water works without causing irritation. So start using it twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. After just 2 weeks, perhaps days, you will notice fewer new pimples appearing on your chin and forehead. The best part is that it doesn't make your skin feel tight or uncomfortable like some acne treatments do. Way number 2, it reduces redness and swelling. Have you ever woken up with a big red pimple that looks angry and inflamed? That redness and swelling is your skin's way of fighting the infection, but it doesn't look or feel great. Lavender water helps calm down this inflammation naturally. I remember having a particularly bad breakout before an important meeting at work. I applied the lavender water with a cotton pad and gently pressed it on the affected areas. Within a few hours, the redness had gone down significantly. It's not magic, but lavender has natural calming properties that help your skin heal faster. The swelling also reduces, which means your pimples look smaller and less noticeable. This is especially helpful if you wear makeup, because it goes on smoother when your skin isn't bumpy and inflamed. Way number 3, it balances your skin's oil production. Here's something interesting that many people don't know about acne. Sometimes when you use harsh products to dry out oily skin, your skin actually produces more oil to compensate. It's like your skin is trying to protect itself from being too dry. This makes the acne problem worse. Lavender water works differently because it helps balance your skin instead of stripping it. I used to use really strong face washes that left my skin feeling squeaky clean. But then I'd notice that by lunchtime, my face would be even oilier than before. When I switched to using lavender water as part of my routine, this stopped happening. My skin started producing a normal amount of oil instead of going into overdrive. This balance is really important because when your skin produces the right amount of oil, your pores are less likely to get clogged. Way number 4, it helps remove dead skin cells gently. Dead skin cells sitting on top of your face can mix with oil and block your pores. This is one of the main reasons why acne forms in the first place. Most people think they need to scrub hard to remove these dead cells, but that can actually make acne worse. Lavender water offers a much gentler approach. When you apply it with a cotton pad, it helps loosen and remove dead skin cells without any harsh scrubbing. I like to soak a cotton pad with the Eco Home Lavender Water and gently sweep it across my face. You can actually see some of the dead skin and dirt come off on the cotton pad. But unlike harsh scrubs or strong acids, this doesn't leave your skin red or irritated. Your skin feels clean and smooth, but not damaged or over-processed. This gentle removal of dead skin cells helps prevent new pimples from forming. Way number 5, it speeds up the healing process. When you do get a pimple, you want it to go away as quickly as possible. Lavender water can help your skin heal faster from acne breakouts. The natural compounds in lavender support your skin's ability to repair itself. I've noticed that when I use lavender water consistently, my pimples don't last as long as they used to. They also don't leave behind dark marks or scars like they did before. This faster healing means less time dealing with breakouts and less chance of permanent damage to your skin. It's like giving your skin extra support while it's trying to get better. The healing isn't just on the surface either. It helps the deeper layers of your skin recover too. This is why people who use lavender water regularly often see improvement in their overall skin texture and appearance. Now, let me share how I actually use Eco Home Lavender Water in my daily routine. Every morning after washing my face, I apply it with a cotton pad all over my face and neck. In the evening, I do the same thing after removing my makeup and cleansing. If I have a particularly troublesome pimple, I'll sometimes apply it a third time during the day. The key is being consistent rather than using it only when you have breakouts. Prevention works better than trying to fix problems after they've already started. So there you have it, 5 ways that Eco Home Lavender Water can help with acne and improve your skin. From fighting bacteria to speeding up healing, this natural solution offers a gentle approach to clearer skin. The best part is that it works with your skin instead of against it. If you've been struggling with harsh acne treatments that leave your skin dry and irritated, this might be exactly what you need to try. Have you ever used lavender water for your skin before? Let me know in the comments below what your experience was like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare solutions and beauty tips. Your skin deserves gentle care that actually works, and sometimes the best solutions come from nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.